Okay, so now let's talk about difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. So you may have come across a situation like this where you have a squared minus y squared, and then you have to, or something similar, and you have to factorize something like this. This is difference of two squares. Here's the first square, here's the other square. These are the two squares, and there's a minus. So difference of two squares. Minus is the difference, right? So this a situation where there's a plus is not a difference of two squares. Difference of two squares is only when you have minus. Something squared minus something else squared. Now, when you're factorizing this, it's very simple. You just take the square root of x squared, which is simply x, right? And the square root of y squared, which is simply y. So I'll say x minus y in one bracket, and then I'll say x plus y in the other bracket. So you just take the root numbers, right? The root number there, the root number there, right? The root number was x, the root number there is y. So x minus y, x plus y. That's all you have to do, right? If you look at it here, right, my root there is x, and then the root of that, right? Because this is the same as x squared minus 144 is actually the same as 12 squared. So the root number there was actually 12. So this is equal to x minus 12, x plus 12. You factorized, right? So whenever you see this minus sign and a squared, expect that this is a difference of two squares, even though it may not appear that way at first sight. Now, if I have m squared minus g squared, right, my root numbers are m and g. So m minus g, m plus g. I factorized it. Last, q squared minus 121, right? This is the same as q squared minus 121 is the same as 11 squared, right? So this is the same as, I take my root numbers now, q minus 11, and then q plus 11, factorized. So that's the difference of two squares. Very easy as long as you're able to identify these.